I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel edits. First, pick a Marvel character or scene that truly inspires you. Next, select an editing app that suits your device and experience, like CapCut or InShot. Then, gather high-quality video clips and images. Think about the story you want to tell with your chosen content. This initial planning is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now, let's dive into some key editing techniques. Start by trimming your clips to focus on the most impactful moments, ensuring a fast-paced feel. Experiment with dynamic transitions to smoothly connect different scenes and maintain viewer engagement. Don't forget to add text overlays for character names, iconic quotes, or even a fun fact. These elements enhance the visual storytelling of your Marvel edit. To truly elevate your Marvel edit, focus on audio and visual enhancements. First, sync your video with a powerful and fitting soundtrack that captures the essence of Marvel. Next, apply color grading to give your footage that iconic cinematic look, perhaps a slightly desaturated or vibrant tone. Finally, incorporate sound effects to emphasize actions and reactions, making every punch and explosion feel more impactful. These details make a huge difference. You're almost there. For the final touches, review your entire edit carefully to catch any timing issues or visual glitches. Ensure all elements flow seamlessly. Once you're satisfied, export your finished video in a high-resolution format, like 1080p or 4K, for the best quality. Then, share your amazing Marvel edit on your favorite social media platforms and enjoy the reactions. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.